Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix Honkai, Star Rail, global distribution error. So, before starting, check Honkai, Star Rail server status. To do this, visit Honkai, Star Rail official Twitter page by click the link in description. After that, check if there are any messages about server problems or maintenance time. If everything is fine, then start with the first method. Method 1. Reconnect the network. On Android device, go to Settings. Tap on Connections. Tap on Wi-Fi. Tap the Settings button next to the network you're using. Tap Forget. Reconnect the network and check if the global distribution error is resolved. For wired connection, just unplug the Ethernet cable from the device, then plug it back in. Method 2. Stay up to date. Please ensure that the system software as well as the game are always updated to the latest version. On Windows PC, open Settings. Click on Windows Update. Click Check for updates to check if there is an OS update available. If there is, update your PC. After that, go to Honkai, Star Rail Launcher. Click on 3 dashes next to the play button, then select Check for game updates. On Android devices, open Settings. Scroll down and tap Software Update to check if there is an OS update available for your device. If there is, update your device. After that, open Google Play Store app. At the top right, tap the profile icon. Tap Manage Apps and Device. Apps with an update available are labeled Update Available. Tap Update. Once done, relaunching Honkai, Star Rail and check if the global distribution error is resolved. Method 3. Verify files. On Epic Game Launcher, navigate to Library. Right-click on Honkai, Star Rail, then select Manage. Choose Verify. Once done, relaunching Honkai, Star Rail and see if the global distribution error is resolved. Method 4. Clear the game cache. For PC, iPhone, iPad and PlayStation, we need turn off them, then unplug power. Wait about 3 minutes, re-plug the power and restart the device. For Android devices, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Scroll down and find Honkai, Star Rail. Tap on it. Tap on Storage. Tap on Clear Cache. Restart your device. Method 5. Disable IPv6 and using Google DNS. On PC, on the keyboard, press Windows key R, then type ncpa.cpl and hit Enter. Right-click on your internet connection and pick Properties. Scroll down and uncheck the box next to Internet Protocol version 6, TCP, IPv6, to disable it. Click OK. Relaunching Honkai, Star Rail and see if the global distribution error is resolved. If the error still appears, One more time. Press Windows key R, then type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right-click on your internet connection and pick Properties. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP, IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses option. On preferred DNS server, input 8888. On alternate DNS server, input 8844. Now, tick on Validate Settings upon exit. Click OK. Click OK. Once done, go to Honkai, Rail and see if the global distribution error is fixed. To change DNS on PlayStation, please refer to the link in the description. Method 6. Disable or uninstall third-party antivirus software. If you are using third-party antivirus software such as AVG, Norton, Avast, etc., then try disable or uninstall them. Because the antivirus software usually blocks third-party applications or games from running on your system. On the other hand, when you try to update your games or application, the antivirus may cause conflict. Antivirus software or firewall blocks the access of the application, so it is better to disable it. So, it is recommended to turn off your antivirus software to prevent any errors or bugs. Method 7. Clear the router cache. To do this, please visit the video linked in the description for details on how to do this. Method 8. Reset network settings. On iOS device, open the settings. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. It will ask for your iPhone's passcode. Enter it. After you enter your passcode, a prompt will appear on your screen asking for your confirmation. Tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm and your phone will restart. On Android phone, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap General Management. Tap Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Tap Reset Settings. It will ask for your phone's passcode. Enter it and follow the instructions. On PC, press Windows key then type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and pick Run as administrator. Now, type ipconfig, flush DNS and press Enter. Type ipconfig, register DNS and press Enter. Type ipconfig, release and press Enter. Type ipconfig, renew and press Enter. Type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Type netsh int IP reset and press Enter. Now, restart the computer. On PlayStation, go to Settings. Scroll down and select Initialization. Select Restore. Once done, relaunching Honkai, Rail and check if the global distribution error is resolved. If none of the above worked, then try a connection to another network, such as cellular data, VPN, neighbor's Wi-Fi, etc. and see if this helps. And, uninstall and reinstall is the last resort you can do for now. That's it guys, I hope something helps.